yeah. I seen one is $5,000.
Yeah, that seems to be the case, sir.
That's really expensive.
The ones that are going to move all the, yeah, I see why, yeah.
That's for hexacopter. That's like for helicopter stuff.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it appears to be that the ones that are going to allow you to do that are going to be in that range.
This is a military limit.
Yeah, they're very specialized FP cameras. They are expensive. Yeah. I'm just seeing if anybody else has the least expensive one is. Hold on, please.
That's too expensive for me right now because I don't want one. I need like 3.
Yeah, that's a low resolution.
What is a low resolution? What's the resolution? Really? It's too low or? Oh, wow, nothing.
This one again, it's not. Yeah, but the one I'm seeing, if you look for something that's going to be cancelled and zoom, it's going to be more than that $2,000 range.
Okay.
They have a high vision camera that goes for 22 to 20.
Can you give me the item number or the name that I can search it?
Let me give that to you, please.
DS
It's -2.
2.
T as a tango, D as a delta.
T as a tango, D as a delta.
2136.
2136. 2136.
10 and 15. 25.
Okay. High vision and outdoor thermal network. Yeah, I don't need to I'm saying see that far. Even about that 50 feet is good enough.
Alright, so I mean the wide angle one would be the 50.
Yeah, so if you guys have a wide angle is way better. Yeah. In that case, I might be able to save a little bit and buy 2 if it's a really good wide angle. Cover each other.
Sorry, I didn't understand what
I'm
you said.
sorry, sir. I'm saying if it's a really wide.
It's a poor connection. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it is my. I think it is my phone. I'm sorry about that. But if it's a really good wide angle, like over 160, I'm gonna be able to buy just 2, not 3. I was going to buy 3 devices, but if it's go over 160 degree of the angle, I'm gonna be able to even buy 2 instead of 3.
Let's see. Well, let's see how much those go for. There you go. No, there's not gonna be 160 degrees. The widest they have is like 3.6, which is and that's gonna run about $7,000. That's
Ooh, wow.
These are very expensive, sir. Cameras are very expensive.
Now,
that one has only a horizontal field of 35 degrees. Not really.
You guys have a super professional ones too.
Yes. I'm sorry.
You guys have a super professional one.
These cameras started at $400 minimum.
Let's see. Give me something about 1500. Do you have anything about 1500s? Yeah, this is good.
But not, yeah, 1500 I have. I'm not sure. It's hard camera, not junction. I have a Spico that goes for about 11 and 2 members. Not too bad. 1138.95.
That's good.
Let me see if it gives me any specs here. If it's not, I have to go to this.
Of course.